Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that, and the first one, you should just go into the settings application and then click here on the wallpaper and style. Here you can see that we can select our new wallpaper from our device wallpapers from the just default ones, or for example from the downloaded from the internet if you got some, or also from our device gallery from the previously taken photos, also downloaded from the internet. We'll go with the regular, with the default ones, and now for example we can select one from these photos, for example this one, click here on this wallpaper and then just click to the lock screen. Now just tap here to set on lock screen, wait a second, and here as can you see we got the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and as can you see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just you should hold for a while your home screen, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper installed, and by the same way, for example, go into the gallery and click here to downloads, and here we can select one from these wallpapers, and now just click here to select, click here to down, and click here to the lock screen. Now we can change here the position of this wallpaper, click set on lock screen, wait a second, and now as can you see we just again successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.